The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter, Frost-Free Refrigerator. It comes in 9 different colorways. Elegant Inox, Refined Inox, Elective Silver, Pebble Blue, Saffron Red, Saffron Blue, Mystic Overlay Red, Mystic Overlay Blue, and Luxe Brown. It is available in 253 liters and 275 liters. And it is 2-star, 3-star, and 4-star rated for energy saving. It features modern design, digital inverter technology, all-around cooling system and easy slide shelf. The chic and modern design, with ergonomic recessed handle, brings refined elegance to your kitchen. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Even at night, Samsung DID is super quiet, while preserving minimum operation. Smart technology that changes your life. Its all-around cooling system cools the fridge evenly, from corner to corner, and maintains a constant temperature, with cold air blown out through multiple outlets, on every shelf level. The easy slide shelves are built on rolling hinges, and pull out, so they help you find and reach food easily. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter, Frost-Free Refrigerator.